Hey everyone, um, back again here with another demo of something we've been working on here at Tembo. So today I'm going to show DBA's Sentry integration, which allows it to autonomously fix uh, Sentry errors in real time. So I'm in the integrations settings page inside of DBA, and we have I'll actually show you. We have a pretty large front end code base for Tembo Cloud. And there's currently I literally just explicitly wrote a line here to throw an error, which will trigger the error in Sentry. And I've actually kind of tested this a decent amount of times, so it should. So let's say I delete this. Uh, So I'm going to connect. Basically, the first thing I have to do is connect the GitHub repo for the front end for Tempo Cloud because I know that's where the error is. So I'll click Add Repository and click on the repository that I want. I'll hit Save, and then I need to connect the Sentry integration. So let's do that. I'll install it into the Tempo org, which is the only org that we have, and then accept and install. It'll send me to this callback and then redirect me back. And then here's where I select the projects I want to sync. So maybe we have multiple Sentry projects. I only want to sync the one for Mahal, which is the UI for our cloud, and then I'll select the GitHub repo that maps to that project. So this basically tells us that if there's all the issues that show up for the Mahal Sentry project, we'll open PRs to fix them in the repo that you select here. Then I'll hit save. So now we're basically all set up. So whenever I get an error inside of Sentry, DBA will open a PR to fix it. So let's give that a try. So I'm going to go to Cloud, and I have a little feature flagged error here. So if I open up the console, clear this, when I click on this little Command K menu, it's going to explicitly throw an error. So we can see that I'm seeing the error here. I'll just like do a little rage click on this a bit. Cool. So it triggered a few times. Then I'll go back into Sentry and we'll look in the issues tab here. I'll refresh to see if the error showed up. Okay, so I see it. And then DBA is going to work on a PR to fix this issue. And it usually takes about 20 to 30 seconds after the Sentry issue is open for DBA to open a PR to fix it. I can see that the issue was made here. So I've already ran this demo a few times, but we can see that it actually made the Sentry error right here. So it's saying error in CMDK menu functionalities. This is the actual error message that was thrown in the console. So this is like coming from the Sentry error. And then, so theoretically, once this gets a solution, so it looks like I can see that the solution was started. GitHub here, and we'll go to the repo. And it looks like I just got a PR up just now to fix the Sentry issue. And we can take a look at what it did. So it removed the one error line that was causing the Sentry error. So this is obviously kind of like a dummy use case. But the UX here is basically like you get a Sentry error, then we do some like data processing of all the data that we get back from Sentry, and then we instantly start solving. So basically the experience is like you would get a notification for a Sentry issue, and then you can like count to 30 and you'll have a PR already open to fix it. So Yeah, that's it. I hope everyone liked it. Thanks.